message is transmitted at the request of Germany EAS. This video will contain veiled emergency alert tones, loud music and sound effects, which may cause blood to come out of your ear, and it is not recommended to use headphones, as the creator is not responsible for any of these tones. All the EAS mocks are fake, and the ones I make are for entertainment purposes only. Also please, don't play the EAS tones, as it will cause mass panic and confusion, and I don't own everything in this video. Anyways, go get popcorn and enjoy this video.
Oh, what is this? Nächste Freude. Well, you know TV's cut.
The following message is at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the European Space Agency and the United Nations. At 5:05 a.m. Central Standard Time, an asteroid, nicknamed Ranchi, has been detected coming towards Earth. The government and NASA are planning to launch a nuke to impact and destroy the asteroid. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
This is the emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation orders in the EAS operating handbook for a national or global level emergency. The President will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The Emergency Act notification has been activated at the request of the United States government. America has collapsed. I repeat, America has collapsed. The asteroid is going to impact the Earth in the next 3 minutes. NASA has failed to destroy the asteroid as a nuke hit Asia, which make the entire continent sink. There's no more time to play the national anthem. It's coming fast. May God save America, and may God save US all.